Hey friends, today I'm showing you this pad laptop stand, and you can see this stand can be for anything, like for the iPads, for big pads, for laptops, or anything else that you want to use for. It's pretty lightweight. It's of plastic, and it have like different sections for the different level of heights that you can adjust. So like mostly like three parts. So one is the handle that goes and like the holder thing. So here if you see the rubber cushions, that is easy for the laptops and on the tablets. On the corners also there's a rubber thing, there's no scratch while using it. So it's really nice that how this comes up. So now I'm just showing you the adjustment, and you can see that there is a 4 levels. So the plastic holder will actually goes in these different levels of the stand. So you can set it at whatever height you want it to, and this will just hold it up. So the quality, you can see that's a nice plastic, easy to clean, easy to wipe off, easy to use, and then easy to carry as well because of its lightweight. And you can just adjust. So with the pads, and I'm just showing you like how this will look in the pad. Yep.